what isn't? A bog, wood, water and trees, dirt, sheeps. They grow sheeps. They say, meh, meh. They've got white fur all over their bodies. The farmer shaves its skin off, then gives it a bath. That's it. Then the sheep gets horns. Then that's it. Then they get tired. They are riding bicycles. Oh, cows. They say moo, moo. Those cows are all eating grass. Cows eat grass because turn into different kind of cows. That's a cow too. That's a lamb. He's eating grass too. That makes him a sheep. No, he turns into a sheep when he eats a lot of grass. Clouds. I saw the clouds poof, then disappear. Look at this. Watch this. Watch this, okay? It's getting darker and darker and darker. Tree. Sky. Birds. I see birds. Ah, they're coming right towards us. Whoa, what are they doing? Huh. He tried to pick him up. You better watch this. Toucan. He's eating. He's eating leaves and garbage and slugs and worms and roly-polies. They eat all that stuff. Do you know, roly-polies are my favorite. The end. That's it. Flango. The flangu. Flango. This is land. Camels. 1 humps. 2 humps. I only see 1 humps. See? He doesn't have any humps. He needs to eat a lot of grass. See? Getting bigger. Nam nam nam. Why does he have the rope on his face? Like a camel ride? A monkey. Hey, they want to eat people stuff too. He likes that stuff. He likes to grab stuff. Hey, I'm gonna call him Grabby. Oh, a baby monkey. I'm going to call him Grabby too. Because he eats people stuff too. Those are the brothers and sister. Hey, that's the dad. He's not doing anything. Look. Look how the dad and him are not doing anything. Penguins. The feet look like duck feet. Hey, you're not supposed to live in there. But only that one. Not that one. They dive. They're thinking about dead people. Because they got swords to their bellies, and then they got died. They're dreaming about how the people did that. The people were not nice to the penguins. No. A walrus. He's got a beard. He's the dad. And the boss. Do you know he has floppy feet? Watch this.
Watch this. He went in upside down. Can you restart it? Watch this. He's going to go upside down, fell into the water. Here he goes. Oh!
Shark. And look, he's got a hole. Those are his bumps for his muscles. He has arrows on his fin, right? And this is right and left, right? This is right hand and this is left hand. An enemy. Let's see what it does. What does it does? What does it do? Tiger. It's got teeth. Rawr. Look at it. Why we can't? What's it doing? I need some water.